Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sala. I'm here again with a nice video today. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button. Let's start our video. Yes, our building was designed as a 120 square meter duplex prefabricated house. There is also a kitchen, a living room, a toilet, a bathroom, and a 13 square meter balcony. On this facade of our DUBLEX building, it is close to the wood color, but a smuggled aging paint process has been applied to a little more black. Yes, let me show you closely, friends. Subscribe. The windows of our new building are double structured glass adoption windows. The material you see on the wall is a rock patterned coating, which we call mansion printing. Friends, it is again a product of Betapan. The American owner is not a plastic material. Again, the product of Betapan is a type of coating that we call a screed. Yes. Let's go inside our building slowly. These are our doors. This is our exterior doors. This is our steel door. When we enter our building, a wide corridor awaits us. There is a toilet, bathroom, and water right on your left. At the moment, the building's work has been completed. We have materials here. It is used as a warehouse. As you can see, laminate ceramic works are not finished yet. As we pass the building, we see a stairwell over there and there are stairs to go upstairs. In this building, duplex usage is downstairs, right in front of us. There is a hall in front of us. Let me show you the hall of that building. This hall is exactly 21 square meters on a Tuesday. In this building, we have kept the windows as big as this. Here the exit from the hall to the balcony is a sliding doors show it like this 13 square meters load it has a balcony. Just downstairs, we also have a kitchen on the right side of the entrance. This is quite enough. We have a kitchen of 15 square meters. As I said, plaster coating was not applied on the walls in this building. Our double glazed windows are 70s casing. This is a PVC door with glass. We left a very comfortable exit from the kitchen to the balcony. We can exit from the Erla living room and the kitchen on our balcony. Yes, today the mother works are still going on. This floor covering laminate ceramic works will be done. When laminate ceramic works will be done, friends, let's provide an exit to the upper floor like this. Let me show you our rooms on the upper floor. When we go upstairs, there are 1 or 2 bedrooms, a small cellar, a toilet and a bathroom on the right. Friends, this is it. Let me show you the material we use on the floor. Betapan add 2 centimeters thick and we use soil. There is no discussion of any breakage of it. The area you see on the floor is screed. Laminate parquet ceramic works are applied. Let's start from this room. Say hello. There is a bedroom of that square meter here. Let me show you something like this and something from that room to the balcony right away. We can go out with a sliding head. Let me show you the balcony like this. We used wrought iron railing on the balcony and again, as I said, we use metal tiles. This is a sheet of metal. Because it looks like a 050 bent tile, it is called metal tile. IP ceramic or laminate flooring is applied very easily, friends, in prefabricated buildings. This building has more deficiencies, of course, there will be a floor screed process. Swear, colors will be applied to everyone. When we pass, there is another bedroom, 12 meters blindness. Let me show you this dome problem. Our building is more aesthetic. Just like I said from this room, to show it more stylishly, to show its appearance more elegantly, we have a balcony with the ball of the TV. My dear friends, this is it. Let me show you the worn out size on the wall a little closer. We have added a small cellar, 180 centimeters by centimeter, here. 3 rooms, etc. You can put your unused items in here. And right now here it shows the toilet, bathroom, toilet section. Let me show you the top floor like this. We painted it on the ceiling, but I didn't paint it on the walls. Why is this the showroom building? It is a disassembled building. Carademir profile etc. is not used in the building. Friends, completely galvanized mild steel and stainless material. Green trench is laid on your walls. Green plasterboard is laid in ceramic process is applied as it shows on the lower floor. One of the questions that friends usually ask. Let me show you here. Between the red suite upper floor, 25 cm steel frames are laid on top of it, 60 cm. Let me show you again. Steel scarves are thrown together with every 60 cm. Steels are thin at every 125 cm. Steels are thrown in the form of thick steels. On top of it, take a 2-inch thick and lame upper floor, as it shows, and it comes to the ball. Isochem comes under it, as you can see here. As you can see, this is the base of the lower floor. I toured the rooms, trying to show the material used. Thank you for watching my video as much as I can. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. If you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. If you press the bell button and turn on the notifications, you will not miss the next videos. Have a good time, subscribe and everything on the face.